Okay, so hey guys, I'm going to do a quick review on the 17th of June. Okay, so I would say this was one of my best trades. Okay, so right here, before you enter the trade, right, I want to just share some of the things that I realized. Okay, so first of all, looking at the daily chart, I'm still submitting the higher price, expecting this daily CB, okay, this blue rectangle to hold price. Okay, and then we go right into the hourly chart, because actually the daily chart, right, is actually sticking in a range. Okay, what do I mean by in range? You can see it's very messy here, not very clear, so I'm not really calling the tops and bottoms in the daily chart. I'm just submitting to trading inside the range first. Okay, so that's why I'll go to a lower time frame chart, which is the 1 hour or 4 hour, and see whether price is more where price is more clean. Okay, so you can see right here, lower here is very balanced already. We have retraced off the order block here. We did a stop rate right here, but you can see the majority of the bodies are staying above the new week opening gap, 8th of June. Okay, and then where is very clean in efficiency, my eye will straight away jump to here. It's empty here, so I'm thinking price will gravitate up here. So that is my draw on liquidity. Okay, sell side's taken already, so I'm thinking that yeah, we can move higher. So as you can see, I draw 1 hour CB low. That will be my draw on liquidity, and the 1 hour high, and that's it. If price have reached there for the day, I'm done for the day. Okay, so now right here, this is a 15-minute chart. Okay, now just want to share with you guys something. It's like, okay, let's just see it. You can see 8:30 AM news whip up and down. Okay, another thing for this week is FOMC week. So I'm not really, and I'm trading all these days are ahead of the FOMC day. So not really trying to call the range or what. Okay, being very cautious here. So you can see 8:30 whip up and down like that. Okay, and then what I want to share is right here. So after 8:30 happen like that, right, always wait for market structure to form. We ignore this candle high and low, we ignore it, and we wait for market structure to form. And basically right here is the thing. Okay, you can see this is what I observe. Basically, if I have a second chart, I can do this. Like, we ignore this I call it the manipulation candle, which is doing the news. And then what we can do is wait for highs and lows to form. You can see relatively equal low is from here, and buy side is from here. And then price went up and take the buy side. Went up, take the buy side, sing lower, and takes the sell side here. So actually, you can see it offer around 28 handles. It's a quite nice trade. So this is basically just trading within the range of that manipulation candle. And you can see why I decided to short. Buy sides taken here with bodies, and then fell short by almost 1 tick to touch the week's CE, and we are being held by the 05-minute CB, and then that's why I can trust to short here. And then if on a lower time frame chart, we might have a fair value gap here, and boom, but I can trade based on 1-minute chart as well. Like for this candle, expect lower. Then for this candle, I can aim for the CE of this candle. My stop loss will be right above that candle, and send price lower. But this next candle, I'm expecting this candle 25% to hold price. Okay, so if I short based on this candle, I'll short here. I'll just short it, and my stop loss will be right above that candle. Okay, but basically I'm not going to do that. Okay, just saying the logic. Okay, so right here, as I was saying that I want to go long, right? Okay, so this was one of my best trades, I would say. You can see that price went into discount. Okay, you can see this blue line, it's a discount from the dealing range. Okay, so it's a discount. I'm not going to go into detail with it, but the thing is, this is a discount BC 15-minute that I want to see whole price. Why? Because we have a tiny sell side here, and we have touched it, we have went down and through it. Okay, so we completely taken our sell size already. Okay, so right here you can see on the lower time frame chart, 1 minute, you can see this sell side taken, this sell side taken, and then we are keeping this low safe. Okay, right at this candle, I'm still seeing the possibility for price to reach to the rejection block and touch for the 15 minutes BC. Okay, we can always do that because this is the low time frame. Okay, remember. So I'm not in a hurry to trade. Very obvious buy side, sell side's already taken here, no buy side. Okay, see right on this candle, I'm seeing can we pierce lower? Because at this candle, you can see it went lower, right? That was a now or never. So if price keeps this low in place, intact, then I am submitting that we are going higher. You can see where I went long. I went long right at the 15-minute BC high. Okay, and you can see wicks, we keep wicking lower only. We just keep on wicking lower, keep on wicking lower only. But we keep this low safe. Okay, so I was saying what next? I want to see displacement up. Displacement up this 1 minute CB. So I want to see price go up, then use it and then support off it and start moving higher. Okay, but you can see it was rejecting price, but it's okay as long as this low, that low is not breached. I'm okay. And right here, I'm down to the regular trading hours, and you can see this is also another affirmation for me. Why? We are going to open in a very premium, very discount opening range gap. You see, we're going to have a very discount opening range gap. So the opening range gap is way up, way above. Okay, so this calls for an opening range gap repricing macro. First is already logical because we have been going lower. You can see soup lower, takes out sell side, then here takes out sell side one more, then here takes out sell side one more, then we started supporting after 15-minute BC. Okay, right here I'll stop out, but I'm still waiting. Okay, now that we stop, I will stop out. I'm still waiting. You can see this. You can see 1 hour week low was reached. Now I want to see can price get back above the 15-minute BC. So initially I was saying that's it, I'm taking the loss initially, but then because I was looking at this, okay, we wick lower, then 15-minute on this 15-minute chart we wick again lower, taking off sell size a lot already. But then you can see it was trying to enter back the 15-minute BC, enter back the 15-minute discount BC. And then here I outline the order block, and we reach for the order block. Right here I log back in, okay, and I'm ready to go long again. Okay, that was the displacement that I was looking for. Displace up, very nice displacement. Okay, now, and you can see price close above this CB that I was looking for. So now we are bullish. I'm thinking that we are bullish now, but this trade I'm trading ahead of 9:30 AM, so I'm expecting 9:30 AM volatility to just shoot up. Okay, right here, yeah, I was planning to go long right at this when price retrace back to it. Okay, I was just waiting because it's ahead of 9:30 AM. It can still do all these kind of things. Okay, now boom, and I'm in. Okay, my stop loss is right below this order block because we are really balanced down here already. You can see this CB, that is a balanced price range, and this chopping around is also a balanced price range. That's why I'm saying this down close candle really should hold price. That's why my stop loss is right below it, and it's also below the 15-minute BC CE. So I'm still allowing price to touch the CE and start moving higher. It's okay, it can do so. Yeah, you can see what I type here. 9:30 AM, I want to see price just spike up. Okay, so I'm looking at this as a market structure shift, bullish market structure shift. Okay, 5 more minutes to 9:30 AM. So everything was in anticipation. What I want to see, everything. See, I type foothold to send price higher. So I'm seeing for price to get above this inversion failure gap, use this 5-minute CB, get above it, and use this foothold to send price even higher. That was the whole idea. And we have a very discount open range gap, which leads me to, I don't even need it to reach even lower 25% for me to take profits. Okay, I was looking to take profit at a pre-market high only. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart, looking very nice. What do I mean by very nice? You can see 15-minute chart, this 15-minute discount BC, the bodies are staying right above it. We wick so low, we wick lower past it, and then we reach the 15-minute BC, and it's supporting price. That's why I decided to go long. Now I'm just waiting 9:30 AM, and here we go. Boom. Okay, why you see this? Because I wanted to close my position also. Okay, I wanted to close my position, but the stock, it was so fast, the take profit was so fast that I couldn't even close my my position. So that's why they say failed to close, but it was in profits at $72.5. So basically for this, it was in profits around $88 if you decrease my loss. Okay, the first trade was a loss, right? So after that, I stopped trading. This was the only logical trade that I saw, because I was seeing for, you see, 1 hour CB low. Remember, that was my target. But I just take profit at the bodies right here. We have a sell side, we have buy side right here. And I didn't even aim for here. I just aim for the bodies here. I'm looking to take profit at the lowest hanging fruit only, and that's it. Okay, so yep, that's it. That's it for the day. I'm done for the day. Just like that. Contented with my profits, and to be honest, that was a very good trade. The risk to reward was crazy. I think 1 to 5, around 1 to 5. But that's not it. To me, I just need to continue trading like that. Yeah, I don't like, for me it's like, keep the risk very small, because the reward will be like that. Not always like that, but I just need to keep doing this, then I will be profitable. That is what I observe. Okay, still going to lose trades, definitely going to lose trades, but I'm going to, submit to the process. It's just, trading is about doing the right thing. You're going to lose trades, but let's say if my risk to reward is very good, and plus I'm using ICT concept, which I believe is very precise. I can even call price like that. I just think that it's going to be easy for me if I am disciplined enough to keep my risk small. So now I'm keeping it below $30, 1% for max loss a day. But it still depends. Because I don't know why, I'm just getting comfortable with trading. So yeah, it's a bit hard, or a bit different. Okay, not as what I expected, but I'm still going to be very contented with my profits and going to be very disciplined. So for example, on the days that I win, I'm going to stop. I'm definitely going to stop. Okay, I don't have to recover my drawdown in 1 day or 2 days. It doesn't have to. No one is forcing it. If it is, it's just a want that I want to, but I'm being very realistic here. As if you see my trade review, I think 16 of June, my stop loss really wasn't respected at all. After that, I decided, okay, I'm going to recover my drawdown first. So yeah, so that's it. See you guys in the next one.